Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Nvidia driver is up to date and you know the exact driver version. Once done, close overlays and apps that hook into the display pipeline because they can lock scaling options. Next, run the Nvidia Control Panel with administrator rights and navigate straight to display right arrow adjust desktop size and position. Doing this now prevents false steps later and reveals the scaling options you will change in the next phase. Now you pick the correct scaling mode and explain why. Aspect ratio preserves proportions for older games, full screen stretches, and no scaling leaves the monitor to handle it. Make sure you explicitly set the scaling device to GPU if you need consistent results across outputs, otherwise choose the display. Try changing resolution to a non-native value for testing, then toggle the override option and click Apply. Watch the screen. If it changes, the setting took. If not, proceed to deeper fixes. Finish by rebooting to ensure the driver and control panel persist with the new scaling. Test across a few apps and games to confirm behavior. If options remain grayed out, perform a clean driver reinstall. Use the in safe mode, then install the latest driver with clean install checked. Also inspect the monitor edit and try another HDMI or DisplayPort cable, since incorrect edit or a faulty cable can prevent scaling control. If still stuck, update GPU firmware or try a different output port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.